Hi friends and followers on Facebook. It's been a while since I've done a video for you and put it out, and I've had some requests to sing some more Urdu ghazals, so thank you very much for those requests. I've been trying to learn them and really enjoying listening to more and finding and discovering more music, so thanks for sharing. And as spring is round the corner in England, I want to sing this one.
गुलों में रंग भरे बादलों बहार चले गुलों में रंग भरे बादलों बहार चले भी आके गुलशन का कारोबार चले गुलों में रंग भरे बादलों बहार चले क़फ़स उदास है यारो सबस कुछ तो कहो क़फ़स उदास है यारो सबस कुछ तो कहो कहीं तो बहरे खुदा आज ज़िक्र यार चले भी आके गुलशन का कारोबार चले गुलों में रंग भरे बादलों बहार चले
Thanks so much. Keep the requests coming, and look forward to hearing your comments and yeah, any advice you can give. Cheers. Bye.